Hi, in this video we are going to see the final version of our project. This is our sign up page. I'm going to say John Doe here and then we are going to register. Every time we want to execute some function on the blockchain, we need to confirm it on the MetaMask. This may take a couple of seconds, then I'm going to refresh it. Now I was able to sign up. As you can see, my name is here John. We have our credits here, our due, right minutes, and we can see our status is can rent here. Here where we credit our account, and this is the place where we make payment. Then we can withdraw our balance here, and also we have 3 cars here. So let's deposit some tokens and check out the car. I'm going to deposit 0.02 here. Once we refresh the page, we can see our credits here. Next, I'm going to check out this car here. I went with a little cheap one here, so that our credits wouldn't run off. And if we refresh the page, we can see that we rented Skoda with the car ID 3 here. And after some time, we will be able to see the right minutes that is reflected here. So I'm going to wait a minute or so, then we are going to meet here. After a minute, you can see our right minutes here. And now I'm going to check in the car. And after we check out the car, you can see the status is inactive now. I'm going to check in the car. Now after we refresh the page, we can see that our debt here, and also it says pay your due to rent again. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to pay our due here, which is our make payment method. I'm going to confirm the transaction. And we can see here that we were able to pay our due, and now our BNB credit is 0.015. And now I'm going to withdraw the rest of the tokens, which is 0.015. Alright. Now after a couple of seconds, you can see that our BNB credit here is 0 and we have no debt and we can rent again. So that's the basic ideology, what is going to look like. Here we have a couple of methods we are using. So with this we are using our deposit, we are using our make payment here, we are using withdraw balance, and we are getting our cars here by their status as we coded it. And here on top we are getting the user information, and we are displaying this section based on the user information, their name, if they have a start time for their ride, and if they have any debt, what is their balance, and finally if they can rent or not. In our next video we are going to start implementing this front end. Thank you very much and see you on the next one.